Hello guys, Sharvari this side. Today I'd like to give you my few inputs on this beautiful course that Imarticus had designed out here. It was really unique thing to come into HR. So basically being a HR professional, and I'm very enthusiastic about this HR field and being curious about to getting to explore more on this. I came to this course of HRM and Analytics, which is along with the IIT Roorkee and CEC. In this course, I got exposure to many of the HR domains in which they have taken into account of firstly recruitment is there, then there is employee engagement, then training and development. So these are the various things. Apart from that, there are many things. But in this small video, we will also I like to tell you the most interesting thing that I came across in this was Python, machine learning and HR analytics. So analytics using this Python and machine learning, and most importantly Power BI, was really beautiful in this. I actually enjoyed the Power BI course which was given to us by sir, and it was really nice to get to know more on this. So Rajbir sir, I really put his more inputs to develop the HR part, and Sandeep sir are really great with his machine learning and Python. I really appreciate the efforts and the efforts by Imarticus as well. I am really thankful for taking me through this journey on the same. Thanks a lot.